Main channel vistas from this brick ranch. Look across Kerr Lake at Occoneechee State Park. The U-Dock has an Aluma Ramp. So much potential with this home. The great room has a Brick Hearth Fireplace and opens to a Lakeside Screen Room and Deck. Solar tubes really add to the natural light. There are 3 bedrooms off of the living room, one with ensuite bath. Off the foyer there is a den, or use as a guest room. There is also a guest room and bath off of the rear hallway. The attached carport enters into the rear foyer to the eat-in kitchen. Gaze over the lake while you enjoy your morning coffee. You pass right by the Kinderton Country Club on your way to your lake place. Convenient to shopping and dining in the charming ambience of Clarksville, the only lakefront town on Kerr Lake. This home has had an excellent rental history if an investment is in your plans.